Fantasy writing is magical. It's world building, it's character creation, it's storytelling at its finest. Dive into your imagination, let it run wild. No idea is too small, no dream is too big. Fantasy novels transport us. They take us to faraway lands. They introduce us to mythical creatures. Most importantly, they teach us about ourselves. Everyone has a story to tell. Fantasy gives you the freedom to tell it any way you choose. World building is essential. It creates the foundation for your story. Ask yourself, what are the rules of your world? What creatures inhabit it? Create a detailed map, outline the geography, develop the history, imagine the culture. Cultures should feel real. They need customs and traditions. Think about their languages and beliefs. Characters drive your story. Make them relatable. Give them strengths and weaknesses. Flaws make characters interesting. Give your characters goals. What do they want to achieve? Challenges test your characters. How they react builds their personality. Think about their backstories. What events shaped them? A strong plot is crucial. It keeps the reader engaged. Start with a captivating hook. This grabs the reader's attention. Build tension and conflict. This keeps the story interesting. Work towards a satisfying climax. This is the peak of the action. Finally, provide a resolution. How does it all end? Don't be afraid to experiment. Write, rewrite, and rewrite again. Most importantly, have fun. The world of fantasy awaits you.